With fall in full swing and Thanksgiving just around the corner, I created what I think is the perfect Thanksgiving mocktail. It's simple, it's quick, it's delicious, and it's guaranteed to please any of your friends and family. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Sam James, Barprints.com, and if you're a lover of all things cocktail, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here and click the notification bell so you make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. It's one of the best ways that I can help you cocktail greater. Now, many of you have probably heard me say before that there's absolutely no reason or justification for a drink to be boring just because it has no alcohol in it. And when it's done right, a mocktail is a great way for people who are not consuming alcohol to still feel like they're a part of the party, as well as for kids at the party to feel like they're getting in on some of the grown-up action. Plus, if you're in the mood to make this particular cocktail boozy, I'll give you a couple recommendations at the end of the video to show you how I would do it, as well as put in a couple links in the description to some of my past fall creations. Now, this mocktail is called the Fallback, and all you need for this one is quite simply grab your shaker, put some ice in it, go ahead and add 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of cinnamon demerara syrup, give it a nice shake, and then you're going to grab your glass, put about 2 ounces of soda water in it, add the rest of your cocktail to it, add a little bit of ice, and then you're going to go ahead and top it off with some cocktail foam. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and grab your torch and give the foam a nice browning. If you don't have a torch, that's fine. All you have to do is grab a lime and give it a nice zesting over the foam. It creates a nice aromatic flair to the mocktail, and all the flavors, whether you do the browning with the torch or the zest, really complement the rest of the flavors in the drink. Now, just in case you're saying to yourself, how do I create a cocktail foam, or how do I do this in a large format because I have a bunch of people coming over and I want to be able to serve this drink to them? Well, don't worry, I got you covered. I have these videos right here where I break down exactly how to do both, and I'll put the links to them in the description below. Now, as far as making them boozy, my personal recommendation would be to go with either a bourbon or an aged rum, and of course you add that to taste. Just, play with it, have some fun with it. I would go with about 1 ounce personally of either the bourbon or the aged rum, but it's totally up to you. Now, pro tip, if you are going to be serving this in a large format like at a party or something like that, go ahead and pre-batch the mixture, and then when you're ready to serve, at that point you just add some ice to the glass, add your soda water, pour in the pre-batched mixture, and then top it with the foam. Now, if you're looking for programs and tools to help you cocktail greater, go ahead and head over to barprints.com and check out what we have over there. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give it a like and share it with a friend who would also get some value out of it. It only takes a second and it'll help the channel out in a major way. And finally, you can check out these videos right here for some more great techniques as well as cocktail recipes. Cheers.